Hello everyone, let's begin with a quick look at ArcGIS Online. This platform lets us map, share, and analyze geographic data through a simple web interface. By uploading files and linking them with geographic coordinates, users can create interactive maps. Now let's talk about GIS. The term refers to the broader field of collecting and managing data tied to locations. It's a powerful approach for making decisions based on real evidence. One example is when urban planners search for the best spot for a new public facility. GIS helps them combine details on demographics, traffic flow, and existing infrastructure to guide their choices. Another key part of this field is pattern visualization. When data is placed on a map, it reveals trends that might not stand out in a plain spreadsheet. Clusters or gaps become much clearer, supporting researchers and policymakers in spotting areas that need attention. ArcGIS Online serves as a valuable tool by giving us a practical way to organize and display geographic information. It offers a path towards sharper insights and more informed actions, all through the lens of spatial understanding. ArcGIS Online works through a regular web browser. It offers a straightforward approach for creating, viewing, and refining maps. This format attracts beginners and more advanced users alike, with no requirement for installing specialized software. Team members can publish and edit maps together, which saves time and promotes group input. The platform includes helpful examples and tips, so it suits those who are new to GIS. More experienced users can dive into extra features such as real-time data integration or complex analyses. That flexibility covers a wide range of projects, from local planning to larger-scale studies, and encourages a direct way of looking at spatial information. ArcGIS Online includes a special map viewer that helps you examine and build GIS data. It all starts with picking a base map, which serves as the backdrop for your information. That base could be satellite imagery, a street layout, or a topographic style. Next, you add layers, such as roads, population figures, or other features you want to highlight. Colors and symbols give each layer its own visual cue, making it easier to spot important details. This interactive setup encourages a clear way of understanding spatial information and shows how different factors fit together. Importing data into ArcGIS Online. ArcGIS Online accepts various file types such as CSV, shapefiles, and GeoJSON. Users can place their files in the system for mapping, analysis, and data management. Data compatibility. The platform works with different coordinate systems so the data appears in the right location. Importing data. Drag and drop files directly into ArcGIS Online, or upload them through the item details page. Check each file's settings after upload to confirm proper visualization. Adding data to your map. A new layer appears in the map viewer once the data is imported. Check the layer list to control visibility, style, and labels. Any uploaded data can then be edited or analyzed within ArcGIS Online. ArcGIS Online, in addition to everything we've already discussed, contains some applications that could be interesting for students. First, we have Living Atlas, which is a worldwide repository of GIS datasets and environmental patterns. The interesting part is that it's ready to use. You just need to import what you want into the map viewer, and you'll have it within your applications. Story Maps is a way of presenting GIS content in a story format using gadgets and tools that make it look like you're reading a PowerPoint presentation, but with highly interactive content. It's a way of presenting geographic content through an application that allows scrolling down. Web App Builder consists of an application that allows you to generate applications with special functionality. It helps save time by having applications ready to use, thus saving us the time we could be spending programming by simply importing our needed application. Well, we've reached the end of the presentation. To summarize, we can say that geographic information systems are essential for analyzing data that has a spatial component and allows us to understand patterns and improve decision-making of key actors in the territory. We also reviewed some aspects of Map Viewer, the map visualization tool of ArcGIS Online, and we reviewed the importance of importing data into the platform as well as the applications that users can find within it. I recommend that you practice what we've been discussing by importing data into ArcGIS Online and perhaps experimenting with the possibilities that your own data will have within the platform. You can also study how to style your map according to your project's objective, as well as explore all the global content of Living Atlas.